Good morning, I'm Faye Thompson. Since it's middle of the season for all vegetables in Delta, Arkansas, we're going to do 2 dips that we use for dipping vegetables. So we're going to start out with a vegetable dip, and it's real easy to do. We're going to start out with 1 cup of sour cream. I'll tell you something else this is good with too. It's also good with potato chips. We have 1 cup of mayonnaise, and I use Duke's mayonnaise. I love Duke's mayonnaise. It has a special taste to it. We have 2 tablespoons of Beaumonde seasoning, 1 tablespoon of dill weed. I have 1 teaspoon of parsley and 1 teaspoon of grated onion. I just grated the onion up on a little grater, you know, any kind of little grater you have. I think I used one like this, and I used a small grater on it. And it's better if you let this sit a little while. I think you're really gonna like this. This has been one of my favorites. It's a curry dip. Some people don't like curry very much, but I think you'll really like this. It has so many different spices in it until I guess it covers up a lot of the curry taste. 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1 cup of sour cream. We need 2 of these tablespoons of fresh lemon. We'll just dump that in there. We're going to use some salt and pepper to taste. We'll just have to guess at that. We're going to get 1 teaspoon of curry powder. We're using 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. That's 2 tablespoons of parsley, and it's 2 tablespoons of onion. We're using 1/2 teaspoon of tarragon. We're going to use 2 teaspoons of this mustard, prepared mustard. Ooh, we're getting too much here. That's close enough. We're using 1 tablespoon of chives. Okay, a little too much of there. We're going to use a few dashes of Tabasco sauce, and you know that's real hot, so you have to make up your own mind how much you want to put in there. So all we do is mix all this together, and it'll be ready to eat with your vegetables. I really like this. I've made this for years and years. I'm going to taste that now and see how it tastes. It's real good. It's a little spicy, but not much. Now we have finished with our 2 dips. This is your curry dip, and this is your Beaumonde dip. And we serve it with these vegetables. These are delicious. I hope you try them. Enjoy them much as our family does. And we hope to see you on another family video. Thank you for watching.